Wood biomass is a sustainable fuel for the future. Wood can be harvested as part of a constantly replenished crop. CO2 is taken out of the atmosphere naturally by trees at the same time as it is released by burning the previous harvest. So unlike fossil fuels like coal, oil or natural gas, with wood biomass there is no net increase of CO2 in the atmosphere. Wood biomass is CO2 neutral. Fossil fuels, on the other hand, are the results of tens of millions of years of compression. The living things that made them died so long ago that the CO2 that goes into the atmosphere when they are burned is not balanced by any absorption at all. It's all one way, and so it simply adds to the concentration of CO2 and accelerates the greenhouse effect. Fossil fuels are not replenished. As we use them, they become harder to obtain, more expensive, and ultimately they will run out altogether. But wood can replace fossil fuel for many uses, and it can do it in a way that is more efficient, more beautiful, and less expensive. Wood-burning stoves and boilers use fuel in the form of logs, pellets, or clean wood waste, with products designed to burn each type.